Hello, in today's tutorial we will be talking about Python for beginners. So Python is a programming language. We will all learn about this throughout this course. So in this video I'm going to tell you about how to download and install an IDE. IDE is an integrated development environment where we can code. So we'll get started straight away. So first of all, we will need to go to python.org, and from here we are going to download this Python for Windows, Python 3.8.2. So that's simple as that. After that we will need to go on this website jetbrains.com, and after this this will what you will look. So after that you will come to this Python and Django. After this you have to select this PyCharm, and you need to click download. So select the community version because that is open source, and professional one is the paid one. You will get a pop-up, I guess. Yeah, here it is. I'm gonna save this file. So that's all we need to do. You're gonna install it very easily. There's nothing to worry about. Just open the file. Yeah, the best thing is you do not need to make a customized solution. So just click on install now. This is gonna take time, so nothing to worry about. You need to just perform the same steps and you will be done. I'll just show you about this when it's finished. And here we have setup success. So this is from me at the moment. See you in the next level. Thank you.